Tired of slow changeovers for small batch paper bag production? Meet your high-speed packaging solution from Kylin Machines. This advanced machine effortlessly handles auto or manual feeding, embedded top folding, tube forming, and gusset folding all in one smooth process. Operating at an impressive 60 meters per minute, it securely processes 150 to 300 GSM pre-die cut paper. Equipped with both cold water soluble and hot melt glue systems, it delivers a perfect seal on Kraft, cardboard, and laminated art paper. Engineered for incredibly fast setup and plate changes, it is the absolute perfect workhorse for multi-variety and short-run production. Upgrade your packaging line today. Contact Kylin Machines via WhatsApp or visit our website to get your custom quote now.